shema bazwa abantu shema yazi. Amanini yagowisha man. Yazi kucela yaba le ndaba yedanyana. Next thing intwana yakhe le lo mfana wakhe lokubhodile lo. Manje no Mr. Ngasiyo. I-twins lakhe lile esibhedlele for a coma.
Sampuci company ekhamisile lo muntu.
That was you, Jack.
Ngeyibusiso zakho. Khona isikhathi la bezobuya khona ezosikasela.
Manje lo.
Andrews. Fisa. Kuvalwa ishop yami.
So usho ukuthi wena manje kulesima kuso kule vulnerability yakho uzoslida in wena bese unqanda amashares akhe.
Ke tla be ke morolo eno gore hana nako for wona.
Undishiyile malume. Kuyo yonke lento undishiyile. When I need him now more than ever.
Hey baby, yes, anginasikhathi esebhayiki bengicela le presentation and ngizokwazi ukuyisubmit yes.
Ngicela ukubona la.
No, angishintshanga okuningi nje kusazofana nalapha ne-kiosk. Yabona ngizoba nama-coffee, ama-cold drink, ama-sandwich ahlukahlukene namakhekhe nawo ahlukahlukene. Yini manje?
Mawungazi kungibhokoza nje lokho ngifuna ukusho.
Awusuka ume kancane ngedrama. Khuluma phela.
Angithi uthi la ila apply khona zonke lezi franchise. Yabona abaphathi mene ecokeme. Njalo nje balahlela lento zabo zama special every.
Oh, khuleka nami ngizoba na special nje.
Ma, yabona la benza into eqinile uthi lapha bashaya salad and special salad and chips salad. Kodwa ama specials into zakhona nje into emnandi uyabona into engishoyo. Ya ma so kahle mina engizama ukusho ukuthi hey uyayibona le yakho ayinayo ivumvumu kahle ayikhontesho dala mina ngimuntu ingavela ushayishisa inyama mama yabona mawuphethishisa inyama uthi garnish phatheni lapha nomkhudo uy thola abantu ke
Hayi baby man yazini nawe uyazibonela i-coffee shop lena nkosiyami akusiyibhusha. Labantu bafuna izinto ezi-sophisticated, ezi-classy.
Ngoba lenyama ungayenza ibe sophisticated ibe classy. Yazi wenze mhlawumbe ushaya inyama uthi sandwich meat, yabo? Uthi garnish. Noma wenze le nyama efaka emkhontweni le, lento uyifaka inyama le.
Oh, ama-kebab. Hayi khohlwa ngeke ispire lezi lena. Hayi kulabantu laba.
Nwe baba. Yabona ke usala nje uyiGodzilla ingane isikhathi siyama. Athi ngiyochama. Othi ukumtshayela umuntu angafuni. Sala kanjalo Godzilla.
Hayi record. Hayi cha ngeke. Hayi.
Enjoy. And if huna le anything ewe batla untsibise.
Oh, enkosi malume. Kodwa angiqondi bayizakwehla.
Ukulape.
Oh ewe. Did
Uskawara. Ke tseba hore dijo tsa ka a di best. Fela ke ne ke batla go etsetsa something nice. Ke ho lebadise ka dintho tse kaofela.
Oh, malume. Ndiyayibulela nyani lonto. Ndibulela yonke into onenzela yona. Oba wena ube khona apha is enough. Kodwa lonto ayithu kaloku ufuneke uchise ikitchen lam to show support yakho. You've already done that.
Ke tlwaetse ho pheha underground. Mo o sa utlweng dijo le ha di tshile. Hobane ka nako eo o lapile haholo.
A morning toast. Even though abantu basekhaya basangicaphukela. Kodwa umenami ngizasoloko ndiyibulela lonto. Clink.
Family hai kwana e tla qetella e o tsheditse ngwanaka. O sa kgathatseha ka bona haholo.
Dithemba lonto. Themba jalo.
Ba mzamani ba tlo morata ngwaneo. Ke o tshepisa lola.
Hayi seniyangirobha manje. Bekumele ngabe ngicovered yazi. Ngiyithatha mina imali eningi kangaka yokuhafa lento lezi. Sisi mina ungangifaki ku-hold wena. Yo, Nkosi yami, damn it.
Oh, bakithi. Umsindo wakho ngangizwa ngile kamera nini?
Eish, babe, akusile medical aid lena edom. Azabafuna ukuthi at least bahafe ihalf yezinto zami khona manje. Uma ngibabuza ngithi ngiyakhwerisha laphana, bangifaka ku-hold. Izwa, nalomculo nyana wabo lo nodom lo. Hayi suka man yazi.
Sorry, Sithando, sorry man.
Hayi bo uyayit. Uyidrop. Wenzani nje wekhona? Yazi ukuthi ngithethe how long ukuthi ngithole umuntu engakhuluma naye.
Angikade ngikhulumile kodwa ngaphambilini Sithando sami manje awufuni ungizwa ukuthi ibhadarela yonke lena ihlisa umoya mama sukazi ushawe inhliziyo nento ubaba azoyilungisa ibulale uzufela hawo
You know, you would think, Hore, paying premium medical insurance, you get premium healthcare. Oh, but no. But everything in this country is just collapsing.
That's one of the reasons I want to go back.
You know, how dare they? Wait a minute, after all the tests they've done, they don't know what's going on, why he's in a coma. They'll just be monitoring him, keep him comfortable. What nonsense is that? Oh, yeah, they're going to cash in on us. Well, no, not under my watch. I'm done wasting my money.
Well, it's not like you have much of a choice.
I'm bringing him home. We'll get him private doctors and a nurse to look after him. I won't let my brother spend in a cold hospital, no.
I'm going home too.
But this is your home, Kat.
No, Mum. I have a life back in London.
Chomi, ukhona ukuwele global about your canteen.
Yeah, ngilengile nabo. Fixer. Ngitshela Chomi. Mabaso. Unokuthatha ukhafa amabhili and stuff.
Ngibutisa.
Hayi man, yasothi nje namhlanje ekseni. Bengifeha plan labantu be-medical aid. Yo, ngeke ngasabili inkosi yami ngoba abafuni ukukhafa ama-scan ami nama-test ami.
What is it with the medical aid is drawing? They want their monthly contributions now, but when you must claim, kimathatha.
Yeah, so manje ke na Ochi works yabona. Uyangena lapha ekitchen. Bilile, ngistressa. Angibona stressa kanjalo wathi no baby bheka. Ngizobhadalela yonke into. Yo,
Nice.
hey yazi makatsho mina ngijwayelanga mama yazi. Phela mina kade phela umuntu agudla eloke independent enjalo. Ngizenzela yonke into. Manje kufika ogwabzini and uthi take over. Hayi weird man yazi. Mara weird kamnandi yazi.
Somebody who deep Marato Fontaine.
Okay, fine again. Mhlambe deep nyana nje.
Yeah, kuyatsheba abana bamabaso. They're so hard to resist.
Yeah. Yazi wena womnandi nje yazi ukuthi for a change umuntu abe nendoda ethi take care of you, you know. Hey. Hayi yazi ngicabangani. Kumele ngithi kumenzela i-surprise sexy something ne. Ashe ma ngoba uyayideserve.
He does deserve something.
Hayi botsho moya ngathi ngisenza ikwati theology lapho.
No, it's just, I've just had a day.
Okay, uke wathi ukuringa naye.
No! Oh my goodness. Chomi Batum, you know I've got a meeting. What's making enjoy your sexy something?
Hazel, glad I caught you.
I'm always this side during business hours, Mr. Mohali. Well, until they get someone to take the tender.
Of course. About the tender. Lucy Diale is the perfect candidate. Her reputation speaks for itself. She did a great job running the kiosk downstairs. Customers love her.
I know, but it's not up to me. The owners wanted to open the door for other people to pitch. I've sent Lucy all the details. Beyond that, I can't do more to help her. I'm sorry.
Any idea who she's running up against? We rent an entire floor here. Surely I have a right to know who's in the running.
Angiyithandi le nto ki. Umzamane uyena ofanele asibhekele umsebenzi wethu le.
Hayi kanti umzamane khona abantu ababekile endaweni ukuthi babheke. Yonke into isihamba ngononi.
Yize kunjalo simkhokhela ukuthi abe le, hayi ukuthi sisakaze umbombo la eGoli.
Hey kodwa ncence. Yehlisa umoya mntaka baba. Lo muntu bezoxhasa umshana wakhe ngoba kushoniwe lapha lo mfana kaMorocco. Ngoba uyaqonda ukubaleka komndeni. Uyazi ncence, abantu besimama basebenza ngendlela ehlukile. Bahluke kakhulu abantu besimama ukuthina inkunzi. Uyabona belahlekelwe lo muntu abamthandayo nje. Ungathi ungabanikeza ithuba ukuthi bahlale bagoye bazinde sibheke indlela esinyathela ngayo.
Yazi ki anginayo inhliziyo yale ndatshana zakho.
Ungafix usazilile naye. Ibhlungu inhliziyo yakho ulahlekelwe umuntu bekade emthanda ngalesinyathelo esisenzele sibi. Ncence angazi kuzomela ukukhuluma noMafikisa ngoba uma uthi awukhuluma noMafikisa lento ingagcina sifaka amagabadana ukuthi kuthinteke lapha emshadweni wakho.
Hayi uzoxola man.
Hayi ngeke uMafikisa axole ngaleyo ndlela ncence. Uma futhi ufuna ukuthola izathu zokuthi lokho kwenziwe yini sakwenzelani kanjani uyamazi uMafikisa ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Ungabusho lento ngicabanga ukuthi uzama ukuyisho.
Ya yinto engicabanga ncence ukuthi hlala phansi noMafikisa umchazele kahle lento ukuthi hayi bezizama ukuthi sivikele uNosipho uzoyizwisisa lento.
Hayi just like lelo.
Ela ncence
Ngithi cha. Ngenza isethembiso kuNosipho ukuthi lento izoba isifuba sethu. Ngabosho ngibosho mingasiphume le ndaba. Hawu. Yazi kwafa abantu ngizama ukusindisa uNosipho. Manje wena yidlu shut up. Ngakutshela lento ngoba ngidinga usizo lwakho manje ungangenzi ngisole manje.
Ya ngiyakuzwisisa mntaka baba lento ekhuluma. Ayi kodwa kuzomela usiphule ke isithembiso sakho noNosipho. Uma ungakwenzi lokho uzolahlekelwa lo mshado unawo noMafikisa. Ayabona kodwa ngincemele lesikhathi samanje. Isaac sikupha umgodi wendlulele sigejile mntaka baba.
Yo matawa. Yana namakhampani akhotha azobhida for le canteen ndoda.
Ya gona le tsokhulodi tseno gore tlo bida vele.
Yazi beka right ukwababa nkosi yami. Makathi kumele ngithi ukufaka ivavavume yabona angiyeke ngikhona ukuthuna intwana isidala man.
Mara wena utla ithola baba watsi.
Yazi ngiloko ngiyazama ukudenka ukuthi yini engayithuna. Yo mara akuna next ngi blank yazi ndoda.
Sometimes great ideas dina lo chamuka vela usanagana.
Feel complain ora ka kokotho. Nyakobulile.
Sabona nokwasi.
Sawubona.
Ke nako tsa hore nna yana ke jefatse. You've got this.
Sure ndoda.
No.
Hey shini.
Uba grand. Hayi manje anginasikhathi sisina. Ufunani?
Hey, how are you order for usani?
Oh, isani yazini. Ngiyazwakala yeso. No worries.
Shall I have my seat, guys? I'll get the drinks.
Okay.
Sorry, Sissy. Hi. Can I have a champagne and 6 beers?
Ooh, shampoo. Okay. Sisihlala phansi ne? Sizonilethela.
Thanks.
Okay. Baba. Sebe, yini ngawo?
That's it. She's go.
Wena yini isala of it?
Angaba ye greatest South African export.
Export wani manje?
Yes. She's an artist. Lalela. Umsebenzi wakhe muhle kwamambala. Like different. Kunalethi ngisiyenza ko.
Oh, uyapenda.
Usebenzisa izinto ezingakajayeleki ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe ne. Uyazi ukuthi uke wasebenzisa ubuya bekomo kwenza iscavenge?
Has the time kuthiwe kuphela onringayo malama plastic akho mntanami.
Angikholwa ukuthi ula fresh like umuntu lo waziwa inarha yonke.
Then Sebe hamba uyothi hi artist Ndini.
Hayi Mamlusi. Ngeke ngikwazi ukwenza lokho. Uyambona umuntu ukuthi usezingeni labo Beyonce and I mean nobody.
Nesi ready for Luna, ne? Or organize the oxygen and everything else. O Cameron. I'll be right there, Kaitsid. Welcome home. We missed you. Okay, Nikaya Kamwe.
There are places that look after comatose patients, Mum. You don't have to do this.
He's my only brother. I'm not going to desert him. Unlike Wena und Dizetang.
There's nothing here for me.
Well, there's me. And I could use the support.
I warned you when I arrived that this is only temporary.
Yes, and since then, we've buried your brother. We almost lost your uncle.
Me staying won't change any of that.
Right, I mean, it might help, make this home less alone, less empty.
Mama,
yeah, but it's okay. Don't worry, go back. Go fetch your fabulous life. Nakitla muna ke le mong o nsiye ke deal with all of this skilly one. I'm used to it, it's fine.
Phela sisi ngizoshayisa ingasikudala ne. Ngicela ukuthi ungagoduli ngiyato.
Sorry Mamlusi. Yazi ukuthi manje ngisengakakholwa ukuthi ngiphefumula moya omunye nonandipha. Indawo besiziningi la ngakhona. Wakhethi Joburg. Ivela kancane mslave.
Yini ngathi waringi naye?
Hayi, semsebenzini, ngiyasebenza.
Besebe. Kanti uphi lo girl loyana uBruma belebele? Lo beka open afe itradini, atoyitoya, besana namaphoyisa. Abatshela sisukana endleleni yami. Uphi lo girl loyana? Awusibheke manje. Wazi umile lana usabenge into ngakho.
Kinga ukuthi Mamlusi angifuni ukuthi ngimphazamise cala nje ukuthi uhleli nabangani bakhe.
Yadlala wena yazi.
Wenzani?
Hayi, yakusiza lana. Hey, sizeke Sithomasana. Sanibona bakithi, sorry for ukuthi ngini-disturb yazi uSebe lana ebefuna ukuthi hi akumithe.
No, I'm sorry. Angifuni ukuthi ngimphazamise.
Yeah, abo sorry Sebe, okay? Yeah, ukuthi njani ngikwazi yabona. Mina into ze-art ayishe makusiye izinto zami. Kodwa mara wena apparently uBeyonce wale industry yenu.
Ngiyabonga kodwa I don't think that's true.
Kodwa mara uNomasebe lana ucabanga kanjalo yazi.
Please.
Wena man, relax. Unomasebe uyi-assistant manager la eshibhini.
Okay.
Yeah, kodwa mara igama lakhe maliphele uNomasebe Moyo. Yeah, naye nje ukulento zenu lezi ze-art man, she's a very big fan bakithi.
Oh, wonderful. Ngiyajabula ukwazi Nomasebe.
Okay, it's such an honor. Yeah, ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho nangendlela usebenzisa ngakhona izinto zemvelo.
Ukuthi nje yena utheshisa yabona bama-rubbish so.
Izinto engizisebenzisako ngisebenzisa iplastiki ama-black yabona and then insimbi inkinga ukuthi ngisengakafiki ezingeni lakho and ngiyabona ukuthi nangingathola umuntu mhlawumbe
Whoa, relax, girl. Relax, breathe.
Sorry. Inkinga ukuthi I'm excited.
So why ungahlali nathi for a little bit? Sikhulume a little bit more.
No, khuleka baby girl. No. Ngabajoyina for isikhashanyana mara masengishayisa ngizobuyela emsebenzini angithi.
Ngiyathokoza.
Hayi, relax, enjoy. Sharp. Hayi Nkosi yami, hayi. Hayi.
You'll be okay. You're stronger than you realize.
It was nice to have a loud Morocco around.
Promise me you'll visit when you get a chance.
Ndingayithanda loo nto.
Great. I'll take care of everything. I'm talking sightseeing, shopping, activities. Your wish is my command.
Enkosi.
Your cool aunt can't wait to meet you. You take care of yourself, Lily.
Now I get.
I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Hawu mamazi, sebuyile babazi. Sengena amabhijamini solala early vele manje.
Uthi nje ivele yabayilanga elide nje for mina.
Oh, xolisa lapha. Xolisa kakhulu yoba mama. Ya uzodinga ukuthi uphumule. Ngizogeza mina bese ngibuya ke ngizokufudumeza kahle yaza ma. Lala manje uphuphe thina sobule sigibela amasha amhlophe mamazi.
Yes?
Hi. I'm so sorry to disturb you. Sophia Njoritsoro Kamona.
No, Okatzen.
Mukisai.
Yeah, it's better than that hospital.
Karuru betse fela wa tseba. Karutlo tsoha anytime.
He will. And when he does, I will be right here.
Kia. I'm so sorry, Le.
It's not your fault.
But you've just been through so much. Tronkong. Now I'm kidnapping. Losing him. And now your twin.
Don't worry. Kumo will come back to me. He has to. He's the only thing I have left.
For sure.